welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for joining us again. This week we are still in the Netherlands, as you can see just behind me. We're still at the marina. We're here for another couple of weeks still, and we are planning on doing more kitchen renovations. Still loads to do, exploring some of the local area because we've hardly seen any of the area before, and maybe going back to the bird hide called the Tidge something that we visited before. Matt's got his new telephoto lens, so he wants to take some good photos of some birds. So stay tuned and we'll see where we end up this week. Don't forget to subscribe, like and drop us a comment.
Okay, so as Jess said, project day today. As you saw last week, we fitted 3 new drawers, so that gives us some extra storage for on the boat. This week we are going to remove this old worktop, and we've got a nice new worktop that matches the same one that we've got in our bathroom. We're also going to remove these dividers, which will hopefully give us some more space because these go quite far back. And then we've got a few other little bits to do, like repositioning the gimbals on the cooker, and then some new backsplashes, tidying up, bit of painting, that sort of thing. Probably won't all get done today, but we'll make a good start on it. Okay, so as you saw, we've taken out the whole back section here, which has given us a lot more storage. The cooker has been taken out of this space here. Again, we're going to try and remount that. So the next job is the backsplash. Now obviously we can't tile anything.
So we changed our mind and decided to tile it.
So we have this vinyl that we're hopefully going to place along this back wall here and along this little piece here. It'll brighten it up, just freshen it up a little bit and make it look nice, ready for our new worktop.
One of the definite downsides of doing renovation work on a boat is that we're having to use the car as a tool shed / workshop. And it's not that close to the boat, it's a good 500 metres or so. So every time we want something, we've got to come back to the car to fetch it, and now it's my turn. So I got what I came for. Let's see how Matt's getting on dismantling the kitchen.
Okay, so quite a few changes since you last saw. We have redone the backsplash, so that's all done nice. The worktop's been cut, and that's in, and the sinkhole has been cut, so there's just the taps to do next. And then we can start putting the sockets back, refitting the cooker, and then it's all finishing touches, edges and cleaning out, a bit of painting. Still a bit of work to do, but I think it looks better. What do you think? People at home watching this going, no, what are you doing?
I've said that lots of times, that there's probably people watching thinking, oh no, what are you doing? You're painting 50-year-old wood, you're taking away the boat's charm. Don't care, it's not functional. The back of this bit is not functional. It was designed to put your plates in and slide down, but I don't know if plates have changed in the last 40 years, but the plates just don't fit there, and we don't have enough plates to put in that space anyway. So we just wanted to make it more of a functional kitchen by taking it all out. We don't know if it's original or if it's been done afterwards, but it's going.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand?
So we are out on the water again, but there's really not very much wind. Our aim is to get to one of the small islands of the lake and hopefully stop off for a night. But we're currently travelling at 2 knots, which we might be there by 4 o'clock tonight.
If we're lucky.
And it's currently 11. So we'll see how far we can get. It's also a very small island with not very many pontoons or places to moor. So we might circle back round and either come back to the marina or try another island that's a bit bigger, but it's very busy. So we're going to try our best to have an adventurous night on a random island somewhere. And we've packed the pizza oven, so hopefully we do get to stop off and have a nice little pizza on an island.
Yeah. Okay, so we are out sailing.
Woo!
We are at the full mercy of the tiller pilot, which is doing its thing. We're doing 3.8, just under 4 knots, which is pretty good going. 4 kilometres an hour. We're on there, I think.
No, that's
we're
knots.
doing 4 knots. We've got 2 different devices that gives us 2 different speeds in different dimensions. So we're just sort of having a little chill sail, which is quite nice. The weather's lovely, the sails are up, autopilot's doing its thing. Where better would you rather be?
Now we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for 2. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand? That we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
So as you can see, there is just no wind. You can even see the flag. It's not even flying. We're going less than 2 knots. So we're going to abandon our plan to go to the island. We've not even got halfway there in, what, an hour?
Yeah, roughly.
And Navionics said it would take 45 minutes. So we're abandoning our plan to go to the island for today. But we will try and go again. We just need to keep an eye on the forecast and we need a bit more wind. But the forecast did say it was gusting up to 16 today, was it?
Yeah.
But it's not at all.
Barely 4.
It's nothing. I think I could probably swim quicker and I don't swim very well. So we've had a nice sail out anyway. So we're going to make our way back round the island and back to the marina and try again another day.
Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand? That we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
So for anybody wondering why we're not going for a nice leisurely dip in the marina, it is full of jellyfish. There's absolutely hundreds of them. I'll show you. So for now, we'll just have to stay toasty and go for a cold shower later, because we're not getting in there.
Okay, so Winnie's joined us for this little segment. We've just got back from sailing, and it's obviously the wind died off quite a lot. The kitchen project's finished, so we are at a point now that we're probably going to stop the video for today. And next week, we're not quite sure what we're going to be doing. I know that we're heading back to France in the next couple of days, which is a bit sad, but lots of adventures still to come. So as always, keep subscribing. It's really helping the channel. Drop us a like, drop us a comment, ask us any questions, or just tell us about you guys. It's always nice to see what our followers are up to. Keep up with our social medias, and thank you guys for watching once again, and we'll see you next week. Bye.